Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you irritated because the water of birds in your bird bath is cold as ice, which don't attract birds and currently looking for a new garden bird bath or heated baths? If you want to have a heated bath, then the Kozy Bird Spa Heated Bird Bath will be the perfect product for you. This is an elegant bird bath and also has a deck mount. This item offers 2.5-inch depth of bowl that will surely attract birds and is powered by 150 watts of electricity. This is ideal for your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. Your Wits product information. Type is heated. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 20.75 by 20.5 by 20.5. Weight is 7 pounds. Make sure that lovely birds will flock into your garden. Your friends, visitors, and even family members will also notice this bird bath. Now is the perfect time to get this bird bath. Grab the Kozy Bird Spa Heated Bird Bath today at a very affordable price and see to it that every bird will be flocking in your garden. Until next time, this is Katina from Patio Garden Ponds.